Today we're making banana bread. Oh, I hate doing this part. Oh. What? It broke.
It's okay.
Get to mashing.
Your turn.
It's going out.
Bro.
Shut up.
Too bad you didn't have one of them things that,
Like
Yeah,
to
they're like-
stamp it?
yeah.
Yeah.
We upgraded our tool. That sounds disgusting. Half a cup plus a tablespoon of margarine to replace the shortening because we forgot shortening.
Butter.
Butter.
Now you might want to take that out of there. And, 'cause you don't need that now.
Did you see that?
It looks like puke.
Don't say
It
that.
looks nasty.
You need if you're doing this one, you need 2/3 cups of sugar.
There's
2/3 cups of sugar.
Over your KitchenAid.
You needed 1 teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder. And you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. I don't know if you want to put this much salt in it, but it
No.
calls for a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
No, I said teaspoon.
See, that's why I don't do eggs like that, because you don't get it all.
You got most of it. There ain't enough there to say that you didn't get it all.
Okay, how much salt?
Normal.
It calls for a 1/2 teaspoon, but
You're the KitchenAid.
you want to put a 1/4
Yeah.
teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon of salt?
I just do a quarter. Like, let me see.
Why I didn't get it all. Just
Go ahead.
That's enough.
That's good.
That was the fridge, not me.
Okay, we got this.
Oh.
You need
How much?
a cup and a half, or a cup and a half of flour.
do it.
You want to mix?
No, you're the KitchenAid. She's the KitchenAid, Shug. You gotta put stuff in.
Yeah. The last time she
That was
quit
a-
on me though.
Yes, that. Now you need a 1/2 cup.
Jimmy, freaking Christmas. Alright. Break out the apron.
Golly. That was a mess.
Yeah, now you need a 1/2 cup more.
Relax, dude.
My KitchenAid just told me to whoa.
Yeah, it talks. It's the new 2026 version.
Yeah.
My KitchenAid is struggling.
I don't think the newer version's a good
There
idea.
you go.
That's the new wall.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yep, that's all you need.
Oh, gotta take it on a lower speed so the flour don't fly everywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Slightly beaten. Confectionery sugar.
For garnish.
Gotta spray our pan.
Yeah, you do.
It's
'Cause
really
if you
thick.
don't, it'll stick. I know, 'cause I forgot to do mine that one day and it stuck on me.
I'll slap you from your hand.
Your KitchenAid, put it in.
KitchenAid doesn't do all that stuff.
I forgot, 2026 version does.
Nah. I'm the 2026 version. I make what I do.
It just went.
Nobody even preheated the oven. Nice going, Haley.
Oh my gosh. What did I put it at? 350?
I forgot.
350?
Recipe maker. Recipe reader. Tell her what she needs to put it at.
Oh, I gotta put it back up too.
75, I believe.
Three.
No, 2.
$3.50.
I was right.
I can't believe it. It says $3.50 for 50 to 55 minutes.
Yep.
It's thick.
It's supposed to be thick.
Too many portions.
And that's why you had to take so long to get done.
Do you have to tap it on the table or anything to get the air
I
bubbles
do,
out?
but nobody else ever does.
Well, how do you know? Are you in everybody's
See, other
kitchen?
people do it. Good.
Man, that's loud.
You're welcome.
All right. It's at 350 and it's in.
Check that. Take your
50,
toothpick that
55
you
minutes,
had.
so.
I was gonna tell you wipe it
All
off.
right, let's check it out.
It's not done. It jiggles.
Getting there. It's kind of.
Turn it and then put it on the top.
All right, one more time. Let's check again. Oh, it looks good. Yep. Well, maybe not.
Put it down on the, if it's not done, put it
Yeah.
down on the bottom shelf for a little while.
Hey, Jenkins, did someone move the racks?
Good. Good.
15 minutes later.
Looks delicious, though.
Why it's hot, take, this way you know it's loose.
Oh, yep, you hear it.
It's loose.
Ready?
Like a sharp blade.
Yeah. Like in this area.
10 out
like-
of 10.
Yesterday I
Like what? How does how?
no.
Girl, it's
Boy,
10.
I'm good.
Well, that is our video on banana bread with grandma.
If you guys liked it, make sure you
Like and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.
Ding.
Don't be afraid to follow a dream.
Have an extraordinary day. Bye.
The last video is here.
So watch it. Yeah.
And if you guys want to see more videos like this, click this playlist.
And subscribe.
Mm-hmm.